Letter 307 to a young man in Anworth. This letter is from the Christian Instructor of January 1839, furnished by one who was in possession of the MS. It was written at St. Andrews, but both date and address are lost. It is supposed to have been addressed to one of his former parishioners, a young man in Anworth of some influence. Necessity of godliness in its power. Worthy Sir, I am heartily glad that you have any mind of me, or my ministry while I was with you. I wish you the fruit of it. I trust that you strive for the power of godliness that has been so preached in the land. For salvation cometh not to every man's door, and the way to heaven is a straighter and narrower passage than each man thinketh. And you are now in the most glassy part of your life, when it is easy to follow, and when the lusts of youth are rank and strong. And happy are you that can pass through these dangers with a good conscience. So my real advice is that you acquaint yourself with prayer and with searching the Scriptures of God, that he may show you that good way that bringeth rest to the soul. The ordinary faith and the country godliness will not save you. There must be more, nor the righteousness of the scribes and Pharisees ere ever a man enter the kingdom of God. And I shall desire that you will take to heart the worth and price of an immortal soul, and the necessity of dying, and the fearful account of judgment at the back of death, that you may be saved. As for my ministry among you again, I can easier desire it than see through it. The Lord of the harvest take care of you, and send you a pastor according to God's heart. And that's as rare as ever for all our reformation. Remember my heart's love and respect to your mother and sister. Grace be with you. Your sometime pastor and still friend in God, Samuel Rutherford, St. Andrews.